Welcome to this video series in which I'm going to be showing you something that you've never seen before. Well, at least most people have not heard of this e-commerce method before. And what's great is that you can get started today and you can do this from anywhere around the world. No e-commerce store is needed, and for those of you who are wondering, this is not affiliate marketing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is in the next video, I'm going to explain this method, and then in the other videos, I'm also going to go through how to execute this method. So what's great about this method is that you don't have to put the time, effort, and money in building an e-commerce store. And you don't have to store inventory. You don't have to get a warehouse to store inventory, and you could also get started today. So the method that we're going to be using here is drop shipping. Actually, that's just one part of it. And if you're not familiar with drop shipping, it's where you order the products from the suppliers and they ship directly to your customers. So basically, if a customer or when a customer orders from you and after they pay you, that's when you go to your supplier, place an order, and they will ship directly to your customer. So there is no need for you to store any inventory. Okay, and in this method that I'm going to be talking about, we're only going to be selling one product. We're just going to be focusing on one product to sell. You don't have to worry about storing a whole bunch of other types of products. And the type of product that we're going to be selling is something that's unique and grabs attention. We're going to set up a simple web page, and we're actually going to create a funnel. So when people buy that product, afterwards they're going to be presented with an upsell for a similar product or something that complements that product. So it's not actually just one product we're selling here, although you can do that if you want. But if you want to maximize your profit, I do recommend you have an upsell for another product. And if you want, you could have 2 upsells or 3 upsells. But just to keep it simple, let's just focus on one upsell for now. And once you've set up the funnel, we're going to go ahead and post an ad on Facebook. And I believe that Facebook is one of the best ways to advertise or market this type of product or method because it grabs people's attention. We're marketing something that's unique and grabs attention, and there's no better way to do that than doing it on Facebook. Okay, so people are scrolling down their Facebook accounts and they see an ad or a picture with something that they've never seen before, or it just looks very interesting. We're going to get them to click on it, and they're going to be brought to our funnel. And on that funnel, there's going to be a countdown timer to create a sense of urgency. A great site where you can do product research is watchcount.com, and this is where you could see products that are the most watched products on eBay. So this gives you an idea of which products are popular. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the category, and I'm going to choose the toys category here. And again, I'm trying to look for something that's going to be catchy and unique. So, I mean, you could go to any of these categories here that interest you or something that you're passionate about. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to go to toys and hobbies. Okay, and we can see here which products are the most popular. And they're sorted by the most watchers. So which products here have the most watchers? This one here is a camera drone. The second one is Pokemon. Another one is a kid's ride on motorcycle. So I could just go down the list, and here's an interesting one, Batman Batarang fidget spinner. And I see more fidget spinners here. And some Legos. Okay, I see another fidget spinner. Okay, so what grabbed my attention here was the Batman fidget spinner. My kids like fidget spinners, and I've never seen a Batman fidget spinner. So if I see an ad for a Batman fidget spinner, that may grab my attention. So let me just click on here and just get more information about it and look at the price. Okay, and you could also read comments about it. But let's just say that I decide to go ahead and choose this type of product, or at least look for a similar type of product to sell. So that's what I'm going to talk about in the next video, is finding your product suppliers. Now let's talk about product suppliers. And actually, in this video, I'm just going to talk about one product supplier. And it's, in my opinion, the best product supplier online, and that is AliExpress. So you just go to aliexpress.com, and I believe most of the suppliers on here are based in Asia, and they can ship directly to your customers, and you don't have to buy in bulk. You can just buy items individually, and you also don't have to talk to the suppliers. So continuing on from the last video where I chose the Batman fidget spinner, I'm going to look for a product supplier for that item. So I'm just going to type in Batman fidget spinner. And as you can see, there's a lot of cool looking fidget spinners here. There's not just Batman, it's all action hero themed fidget spinners that show up here. Okay, so I could just scroll down the page, see which ones I'm interested in selling, and let's just say I go ahead and choose this one right here. So I'm just going to click on this, and as you can see, the price is $1.91, and it's free shipping. So if you remember in the last video when I looked at the price of the Batman fidget spinners on eBay, I believe it was around $6 or $7. So it looks like you can make a good profit here, and I'm even willing to price it higher than $7. Okay, so here's the listing on AliExpress for this fidget spinner, and if you want to go ahead and buy it now, you can. Okay, and you can also read the feedback, and you can see that it's got a 4.9 star rating, which is pretty good, and it's got over 771 orders. So this looks to me like a reliable supplier. Of course, you could do more research on supplier just to make sure you're dealing with a good company here. Okay, and I could continue looking at their other products that they have here. Okay, so I think I'm going to go ahead and sell this product, and I'm just going to go back to AliExpress here, maybe look for other types of products I can sell in the upsell. Okay, let's just choose this one right here, and these are some pretty nice looking fidget spinners, and I think this one looks pretty nice. It's black, just like the Batman fidget spinner. So I think I'm going to go ahead and select this Spider-Man fidget spinner and make this the upsell. So the next video, I'm going to show you the funnel that I'm going to create with these products. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you the funnel that I've set up, and we're looking at it right now. So this is the front end offer, and I've created a quick sales page, nothing too fancy. It's very simple. It just says, why get the same fidget spinner as everybody else? So that's my headline, and then you just put the picture or the image of the item below the headline, and then I say something like free shipping and a couple of other details here saying that I'm giving a discount, and here's the buy now button. It says claim deal for $19.97. Grab yours before the timer ends, and I have a timer down here, and which you can, I didn't set the timer, but you could set it to 1 or 2 hours to create a sense of urgency. Another option for you is to also just offer the item for free and then just mark up the shipping fee. So in the shipping fee, you're going to cover the cost of the item and also your profit margin in there. So that's just something for you to think about. Now let's look at the upsell for this product. So when a customer goes ahead and buys this, they're going to be presented with this upsell offer, okay? And it's going to say, wait, special one-time only offer. Do not close this page. Add the Spider-Man fidget spinner to your order. Okay, and it's the same idea. Just have a headline and the picture of the product. And again, just a buy now button here. And that's it. Simple as that. Now, to create these funnels, what I use is ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is about $97 per month. You can go ahead and create these funnels yourself for free if you know a little bit about HTML or if you teach yourself HTML. There's also another site you could go to here called Weebly, and this is a drag and drop website builder, and you could actually get a free account. Okay, so I'm just taking a look at some of the websites here that you can create using Weebly. Okay, you could even create an e-commerce store if you want. And let's just go ahead and take a look at the pricing. So you can get started for free, and basically you just get the basics here. Okay, and that's all you need actually to create these types of offers. There are several traffic methods out there, but the one traffic method that I've found to have the most success with this type of offer so far is by using Facebook. We have to grab people's attention with something catchy, and it seems that Facebook is one of the best ways to do this when people are browsing their Facebook accounts. So I'm just going to show you a basic over-the-shoulder video of me creating an ad on Facebook. And just to let you know, there are several Facebook courses out there if you want to learn more advanced methods. But for now, let me just quickly show you how to create an ad on Facebook. Now let's start driving traffic through Facebook. And what I'm going to do is create an ad. So I'm just going to click here and just go to create ads. Okay, and I'm going to choose traffic. And I'm just going to go down here and create a campaign name. Okay, and then I'm just going to quickly fill out some information here. Okay, and the age group will be between 18 to 65. And for the gender, I'm going to choose men because this is a Batman fidget spinner. So I'm just going to assume that it's going to be mostly males that I'm going to be targeting for this product. And for the demographics, I'm going to just type in Batman for now. I mean, you can make it more specific for this demo. I'm just going to say Batman. Okay, and my daily budget, you could set whatever amount you want each day. I'm going to set it to $20. Okay, and I'm just going to click on continue. And now I'm going to choose the format. So you're given a few formats you can choose from here, and I'm going to choose the single image format, and you create up to 6 ads with 1 image each at no extra charge. Okay, and I've already uploaded the image of the Batman fidget spinner. And then I'm just going to include the link to my site. Let's just say Google for now. And the headline could be something like, you got to make the headline catchy because you have to grab attention. And for the description here, I'm just going to type in something quickly. Okay, and then when you're happy with that, you just click on the confirm button on the bottom of the page.